Okay, so for today's memory planning layout, I have two for you because I'm finishing up October and heading into November. I'm a little bit behind. So, you know my staple rule. I'm always taking some scrapbook paper and covering up some of the layout from the memory planner. This paper was from that paper pad I hauled from Joann's. It's that like great ombre striping. And I love doing this just to kind of, like I said, occupy some of the space. That way, journaling and pictures are not as intimidating when you do this sort of process. Then I'm taking these clear stickers from the larger, so what is it, Colors of the Year sticker pad that was a bunch of florals. And because it was clear, I was afraid that it would disappear on the bright marigold paper. So I went ahead and backed this one with white cardstock. No, it was just copy paper and cut it out again. But then I took its companion sticker, clear one, and put it on the opposite corner while I white out some of the black lines so that they didn't show through and compete with the image. These florals, by the way, are gorgeous. Okay, then in this corner, I'm making like a little flip open little booklet, like just one flip. I've done this before on another spread or so to just show or either hide pictures or available to make more pictures on the page. And for this reason here, I'm just showing hiding two photos because on our trip to Colombia in the week before when I showed you my memory planner, Miguel had fractured his toe on one of his feet, on one of his foots. Is that how you say it? And so it's just his foot like all swollen and then it's in the cast. So I just didn't want those photos exposed. So there's a little flippy, peekaboo little moment there. Then the rest of the photos can be showcased and there's plenty of room. And then I add a few other like fall type stickers from the same sticker book. And then I leave room for, I always say like 6 stories or so because I write big and 2 per group will be fine. And that wraps up this layout. For the next layout, we are doing the week of Halloween. So this pattern paper was from another paper pad, the Halloween one from Joann's. And I just simply love the black and orange stripes, so totally Halloweeny. And for this layout, I decided to make like columns, every other column occupied with pattern paper, and then the photos will go on the pattern paper strips. So I printed my photos like almost like 1-inch squares. So I printed like 10 on a 4x6 photo paper, and it worked out perfectly. So then this sticker sheet that I'm using, I kill the whole thing, all the ghost and all the little Halloween memorabilia pieces. And some of them, like the ghosts, I do back on the copy paper as well because I just didn't want them to get lost on the black and orange paper because it would show through. So that's just the trick that I always do in order to make some clear stickers, paper stickers, and for them to work in techniques like this. So like I said, I did do the whole sheet. And what's fun about this week is that pre-COVID, I used to find so many activities via Facebook events in our neighborhood that were hosting things, and I feel like things are starting to get back to normal a little bit. And there were a few activities all throughout the week where Valentina got to wear her costume and collect candy. And by Halloween on Sunday or Sunday, she was a pro at trick-or-treating, saying trick or treat, happy Halloween, and getting her candy. Hold on one second. Sorry, just had a cough right there. Anyways, so she was a pro by the end of the week for trick-or-treating. So all of the pictures are just kind of all the fun Halloween activities that we did. I even dressed up as a witch with her. She was a witch, and then she changed into just like Halloween themed clothes. And then she had a few like princess dresses that she dresses up with at home that she interchanged throughout the events. And it was just a fun week actually. So I'm really looking forward to the holiday season for Thanksgiving and Christmas. Hopefully, things like visiting Santa and going to see Christmas lights are traditions that we'll be able to do throughout the month. So I hope you have enjoyed this double layout memory planning video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. Please hit the like button and the notifications for future videos. Till next time, everyone. Bye.